Next, update the score history, total, rounds, and roles text. Start by updating the text content for the total score text. Okay, total score text, and then interpolate the property text content. Okay, assigning it to the value of total score. Excuse me. Equal sign and then the total score. Below that, update the HTML content for the score history. Score history. Since we are trying to change or update the HTML content, the property to be used would actually be the inner HTML. And assigning it to an empty string. Below that, update the text content for the current round rows text. Current round rows text. And then the text content. Assigning it to the roles of variable. Okay. And lastly, update the current round text. Okay, with the use of text content again by assigning it to the variable rounds. Oops, what you should assign round to the current. Oops, that was a wrong spelling. And nice.